Piny is the visual editor for React, Next.js, and Tailwind that runs inside Visual Studio Code, Cursor, and Windsurf. Piny is designed to complement AI coding agents and your own coding skills. The free edition of Piny lets you click any element in your code and style it with visual controls for Tailwind utility classes. Manage complex Tailwind styles with the class inspector. Change values, toggle and add classes, manage states, and more. Edit Tailwind styling anywhere. Just place the cursor in any string, even dynamic or non-React code, and tweak classes visually. Jump between recently edited components while showing the relevant route in the preview. Use the built-in AI assistant to generate code via drag and drop or chat. All these powerful features are completely free, without having to sign up or set up anything. Piny Pro can do even more for you. Visual Select lets you click on any element in the live preview to select it in Piny and in the code. Select multiple elements and style them all at once. Quickly jump to any component in the project or choose among the components displayed in the preview. Use your custom Tailwind colors, fonts, breakpoints, and other properties with visual controls and inspector. Everything you do in Piny is real code. No abstractions, no lock-in. Install the free extension from the marketplace, right-click, and select Edit in Piny to start editing visually right away.